To remove a fresh blood stain from fabric, start by rinsing the fabric under cold water. Then, apply a generous amount of dish soap to the stain and scrub the area vigorously between your hands. Once you've worked up a good lather, rinse the fabric with cold water and repeat if necessary. You can also try applying hydrogen peroxide, but keep in mind that it can bleach or weaken delicate fabrics. Pour hydrogen peroxide over the stain, then wipe away the foam that appears. Repeat this process until the blood disappears. To remove a dried blood stain, try covering the stain with toothpaste. Let the toothpaste dry, then rinse the fabric with cold water. To get rid of any leftover residue, wash the stain with soap and cold water. Always avoid putting blood-stained fabric in the dryer, since heat can set the stain and make it harder to remove.